Before we getting into the building the robot, let us try to understand the components that we have bought. Today in Think About Robot, I will show all the components that we have bought and purpose of those components. Wasn't it very cute? Hello guys, how are you doing?
Fine.
Fine? Okay, great. So you look very happy today?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we have this new robot car.
Robot car? I can't see anywhere. Where is the car? It is just the robot kit that you have got, right?
To make a car.
You make a car. Okay, so let us understand what are the things that we have got. One by one. Okay.
What is this?
You know what is it? What is it?
It's a wheel.
They are wheels, right? So for the car. Okay. What else? Keep asking.
What is this?
These are the connecting wires because we are going to build this robot with some sensors. So these wires will connect the sensors to the main engine, right? That is the connecting one. That is called as car chassis. Okay. So you will have chassis means you have seen in our car we have the body of the car, roof, and also the bottom part, ground. That is called as chassis. Okay. These are the connecting wires for the motors. Can you show the motors? See, these motors they have sent, but these motors do not have the connection wires. I'll come back to that. So these are the motors. This is called as DC BO motors. Okay. So for 4 wheels we need 4 motors, and to connect they have given those wires. So okay.
What is these?
These are the small connectors and separators that they have sent to connect the wheels and motors and everything.
What is this?
You can tell what is it. What is it?
This is a cell, but what is this?
That is called as battery compartment, battery holder, because it needs to hold the battery. Okay.
Yeah,
This is 18650 battery. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's not a normal AA size battery. You can see it's a huge battery. Okay.
Yeah. Then the part is the wheel.
Also a nice color, no? Yeah, that's where you will fix the motor to the wheel. So it needs to be there to fix the motor and the wheel together.
What is these?
Yeah, those are the sensors. Can you see? This is a IR sensor. It's not. It's actually this is. Yeah, I have ordered 5 of them. So you have seen in our cube art we have got front sensor, back sensor. This is one of the sensors. Can you see? It's very similar to that, no? Yeah.
Those lights.
There are 2 LED bulbs, right?
When we put that thing like this.
Yes. Yeah. So you can see there is a 2 LED bulbs here. One is the one emitter and the other one is a reflector.
What is these?
That is the That is the component which will attach the wheel to the motor.
Oh. What is this?
This is called as buzzer. You get the sound king, 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 that kind of sound. This is a buzzer. You can attach a buzzer so that whenever.
We have a robot.
Yes, correct.
That's like a boat seat.
Yeah, this is a holder for distance measurement tool, ultra sensor tool. Can you open that ultra sensor tool? Yes, that's the one. This is ultra sensor.
What is this?
It will tell how much distance is the car.
Oh. What is these two? What is this?
This is called as servo motor. Okay, maybe we can attach this servo motor to the sensor here, so that servo motor can turn like this.
Oh.
It can sense this side how much distance is there, that side how much distance is there, and then make a decision to go towards left or towards right.
I can see this.
Yeah, these are the sensors. We have already seen that. Main heart of the car is that one. Okay.
What?
Yes.
What is these?
Yes. That is also having 2 things, Adya. One is the transmitter. It will send the ultrasonic waves. One second, Nishita. It will hit the wall and the other one will receive it. The difference between the time will tell you how much is the distance. Okay. This is the same concept. Even big ships and also airplane, all these things will use how far is the other airplane. It will send an ultrasonic wave. It will hit the other plane and come back. It's called radar. Okay. And when it receives, it will calculate the difference between the time, and that will give us the distance. Okay, I will explain that later. This is ultrasonic
What
sound.
is this?
This is very important. This is called as Arduino Uno. Okay, the bottom one, whatever you are seeing, is Arduino Uno. You can see it is written here, Arduino, or du. This is the heart of our car. Okay, this will make all the decision. This is like a computer. Yeah, it is like a computer. And this is on the top of it. This is the motor shield. Okay,
Yeah.
this will connect to the motors, which will decide the motor to go front or left or right. This is the motor shield.
Oh, then what is this?
Those are the connection points. Okay,
Okay.
great.
Yeah.
So first thing what we should do is,
This.
yeah, that is where the computer wire goes in, right? You've seen now in our keyboard. Yeah, they have sent this kind of 3A batteries, but I don't think we will use that. This is the normal batteries they have given, battery holder, but I have decided to go with the bigger ones, which is having more capacity. Okay, I'm not going to use this.
Papa, is this the robot eyes?
Yes, it looks like eyes, right? Correct. Okay, first thing is we need to solder the wires to the motor. They haven't soldered, so let us go and solder the wires. Okay, I'll tell you how to solder. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment and give me a feedback. This will definitely help us to improve the videos in this channel. And also don't forget to subscribe for this channel and also press the bell icon for the notification. Okay, in the next video I will be showing about the building this robot, soldering the motor wires and everything. Okay, until then, ka-ciao.